Dear students, today we shall learn a new topic, multiplying a monomial by a monomial. That means multiplications of two monomials. Now we write here multiplying a monomial by a monomial, or we can write here multiplying two monomials. Now we take here examples 3x into 4y. 3x it is the first monomial, 4y it is the second monomial. Now we multiply these two monomials. Here 3 is the coefficient of x here and 4 is the coefficient of y here. So we write this coefficient in a bracket, means 3 into 4, and in the second bracket we write here the variables. So now here 3 4s are 12, and here x into y means xy, then is equals to 12xy. Then the next example, suppose 5x into minus 8y. This type of questions here. Here 5 is a coefficient of x and minus it is a coefficient of y. So we write in a bracket these two coefficients, means 5 into minus 8, and in the second bracket we write the variables. So 5 into minus 8 means minus 40 into xy, and then is equals to minus 40 xy. This is our answer. Then our next topic is here multiplying 3 or more monomials. So now we write here multiplying 3 or more monomials. Now we take here examples. Suppose here 2x into 3y into 4z. This is our question, students. Now we take the coefficient first. पहले हम यहाँ पे coefficient लेंगे एक ब्रैकेट में. यहाँ पे coefficient है 2, here 3 in the 4. So now we write here 2 into 3 into 4, and in the second bracket we write coefficients, means x into y into z. Then here product is 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24, and here x y z. That means we get here 24x y z. ये हो गया प्रोडक्ट हमारे लिए 3 मोनोमिल्स का. We take one more example here. 4xy into 5x square y square into 6x cube y cube here. Same here, 4 is the coefficient of xy here, 5 is the coefficient of this term, 6 is the coefficient of the third term. Now we collect these 3 coefficients, means 4 into 5 into 6, and we write the variables in second bracket, means xy into x square y square into x cube y cube here. Now we multiply these 3 numbers, 4 5s are 20 and 26 are 120. Now here is, students, we write once again xy into x square y square into x cube y cube. Now we see here first x. यहाँ पे हम x काउंट करेंगे कि x कितने. यहाँ कुछ नहीं होते, यहाँ पे 1 है. Here 1 and these 2 3, 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 3 6. इस तरह से यहाँ पे x पावर हमारे लिए हो जाता है 6. यहाँ हमने यूज़ किया लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स, हमने अप्लाई किया यहाँ पे. तो 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 3 6. Then for y, here is 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 3 6 means we write here y power 6. Then we get 120 x power 6 y power 6. Now after that we take the new exercise 9.2. Here first question is find the product of the following pairs of monomials. We have given here some pairs. Now we find here the product here. So exercise 9.2. Question number 1 here. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. We take here the second example, second questions. Minus 4p comma 7p. 7p here. 7p. Minus 4p it is the first monomial, 7p it is the second monomial. Now we multiply these two monomials, students. Means minus 4p into 7p. We write first these coefficients in a bracket, means minus 4 into 7, and in a second bracket we write the variables. Here product is minus 4 into 7 means minus 28, and here p into p means here 1 and here is 1, and 1 plus 1 2 means p square. Then we get minus 28 p square. ये हमें आंसर में मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे हमने लॉ यूज़ किया है, लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स यहाँ पे यूज़ किया गया है. Then the next, then here is a third question. Minus 4p and 7p cube. This is our question, student. Now we multiply these two. Minus 4p into 7p cube. We write first these coefficients. Here minus 4 is the coefficient of p and 7 is the coefficient of this monomial. So now we write in bracket these two coefficients, means minus 4 and the 7, and in a second bracket p into this p cube. Here minus 4 into 7 means minus 28, and here p and here is p means p 1 plus 1 2, तो यहाँ आ जाएंगे p square cube, then is equals to minus 28 p square cube. This is our answer, students. Then we take one more here. Question number. Now we take here the next question number 2 here, students. Find the area of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their length and the breadth. We write here these questions. We have to find in these questions the area of the rectangles, length and the breadth we are given here. We take these questions 10m, 5m. That means here the length is equals to length L is equals to 10 meter, breadth is equals to B is equals to 5n. Now we write here the formula. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, means 10m into 5n, and 10 into 5 means 50, and m into n means mn here. So we get here 50 mn. Then the next one we take here this is one, then second is here, then fourth we do, means here 3 mn and 4 np, means here L is equals to 3 mn. L means length here, and breadth B is equals to 4 np. Then area of rectangle is equals to L into B, means 3 mn into 4np. So we write here 3 into 4 in a bracket, कोएफिशिएंट एक ब्रैकेट में लिख लेंगे, and mn into np. Then 3 4s are 12, and here is only one m. Here two n's means we write here the n square and p. So we get here 12m n square p.